Myself, Rishikesh Nagendra Yadav, subject name Digital Marketing, and my presentation topic is a search engine optimization, and college name is SAS Institutes of Management Studies. And we go meaning. Search engine optimization is the process of improving the quality and quantity of a website traffic to website or a web page for a search engine. Example, we can see Google, Yahoo, etc. The search engine optimization target unpaid traffic known as the nature or organic result rather than the deviation traffic or the paid traffic. Unpaid search includes images search, video search, academic search, and news search, which are we very well know in a Google. We are searching anything. It's giving all information about their images, videos. This is a search engine. Second is a how does search engine optimization work? Search engine such as the Google and Bing use modes to crack pages or the web going for the side to side, collecting information about the other pages and putting them in an index. मतलब वो ढूंढता है कि हर जगह से बेस्ट इंफॉर्मेशन कौन सा है और वही अपने सामने लाता है. Algorithm analyzes page in the index taking into the account hundred of a ranking factor or single to determine in order to the pages should appearing in search result and giving the quit. The search algorithms are defined to the surface relevant pages providing user an efficient search experience. Optimum, if we are searching in a Google, so he is giving a proper information about various things. All history is showing in Google. Even we are searching the Yahoo. So like this, they working. Why why search engine optimization important for the marketing, which are very important. Search engine optimization is a fundamental part of a digital marketing because people conduct trillions of search every year, often with the commercial intent to the find the information. Search engine optimization is a platform in which the all wants and needs fulfill of customer with the help of online marketing and particular platform. The search result have been the evolving over the part of the few years to give the user more direct answer the information that is the more likely to keep users to on the request page instead driving them on the other website. And also other features will like rich results and knowledge panel in the search request can increase the visibility and provide user more information about the our company directly in the result. And there is the benefit what are getting our benefit in search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is a key part of a online marketing because searching is a one of the primary ways that use navigation the web page. We are very low if we are recording any information we on going Google and search the particular information, and there is a search result are presenting in order listed, and the higher up on the that list on site can be get more traffic the sites will be trained to receive. These are the benefit of a search engine optimizations. and how the सर्च इंजन वर्क. अब सर्च इंजन काम कैसे करता है उसके कुछ पॉइंट. फर्स्ट वन इज द लिंक. जो अपने को पता है अगर कोई लिंक आता है अगर आप उस पर टच करते हैं तो अपन डायरेक्ट उस पर्टिकुलर पेज पे लेके जाता है कि जिसका वो लिंक रहता है. लिंक फॉर द अदर वेबसाइट की रोल इन ए डिटरमाइनिंग the ranking of a sites in a Google and the other search engine. The reason being the link can be seen as a role quality for the other website. Second is content how much information containing on the particular topic all we are showing in the search engine. In addition to looking at link, search engine also analyzes the content of a web page to determining if it what we will relevant for the any given search engine queries. Third one is a page structure. The third core component of a search engine optimization is a page structure because page web page are written is the HTML. How the HTML code is the structure can be impact a search engine ability to the a page. Therefore, we know how the search engine work. Therefore, the benefit of a search engine optimizations, and there is a why the search engine important for the marketing, which are very helpful for the marketing peoples. it create awareness, create the link, create the website. Like this they are carrying. Thank you.